What's going on, guys? Make a quick video here. I'm gonna show you how to cancel your Zik Analytics account. All right. So once you log into your Zik Analytics, yeah, I was currently looking at the top 500 products here, but as soon as you log in, you go down here to where the management panel is at. Click on that, and then you click up here where it says Manage Payments. All right. Once you're there, you could come here and you hit the cancel button, and that should stop your subscription. Already, you see, if you want to cancel your subscription, you still be able to use Zik Analytics up to the date of your renewal. Ready? So that's it for today. It's a quick video, straight to the chase, and I'll see you next time.